Welcome back, guys, to respiration. Now, looking at respiration has come up every single year since 2011. And if you look at, say, the 2018 question, you have question 12, part B. What happens to pyruvate molecules that prepare them for Krebs cycle? Name 3 products of the Krebs cycle. Briefly describe the fate of one of these products mentioned in part 4 above, and what is the final electron acceptor in aerobic respiration. Now, what I'm hoping from this video is you get to answer those particular questions. So what we have is that this is stage 2, which is Krebs cycle and the electron transport system, or chain. Now, stage 2 will only happen if oxygen is present, and it takes place in the mitochondrion of the cell. So over here, what we have is, here is my cell. It's a typical animal cell. This is the pyruvic acid that we looked at in glycolysis, which is on the aerobic respiration video. So the pyruvic acid will enter the mitochondrion only if oxygen is present. So what happens to that pyruvic acid? So the pyruvic acid will be converted to acetyl coenzyme A with the release of carbon dioxide. This acetyl coenzyme A goes through a particular cycle called Krebs cycle. So it is a cycle. Now what's happening during this cycle is this particular molecule called NADH is produced or formed. NADH is a coenzyme, and how this is formed is by combining NAD plus hydrogen plus electrons. Now, where did this hydrogen and electron come from? It came from the breakdown of glucose. Remember, glucose is C6H12O6. The carbon and the oxygen will combine to form carbon dioxide, and then we have the hydrogens here. So these are my hydrogens in here, which came from glucose. What's also produced is carbon dioxide here, carbon dioxide here, and also what's produced is ATP. And that's combining ADP plus P to form ATP. So the 3 products of stage 2 are ATP, carbon dioxide, and NADH. Now that's stage 2 Krebs cycle. Now, following on from Krebs cycle, we have this electron transport chain, or sometimes it's called the electron transport system. Now what's going to happen here is we're going to produce a huge amount of ATP, which is energy. Now how is the ATP formed? This molecule called NADH, which was produced during the Krebs cycle, is broken down. It is broken down to NAD, it is broken down to hydrogen, and more importantly, it also breaks down the electron. This electron then undergoes through a number of reactions or carriers. So it's like going down the stairs. The electron falls from here, down to here, down to here, down to here. And like a ball, as it's falling down the stairs, it's losing energy. But it doesn't lose energy, you convert the energy. And that energy is converted by combining ADP plus P to make ATP here. Again, the same here, ADP plus P making ATP. In the 3rd carrier, we also have ATP being produced. And in the 4th carrier, we also have ATP being produced. What's left then is you've got the electron here, you've got the hydrogen, which was here, and those two combine with oxygen to make H2O. So the only reason we actually breathe is to combine the hydrogens and the electrons to make water. Now that's stage 2 respiration Krebs cycle and the electron transport system. Best of luck.